Key aspects, according to me, I think there are five, probably more, but I summarize them into five. First one is decentralization. I think if you're into blockchain or cryptocurrencies, blockchain is a technology enabling cryptocurrencies, you need to be aware that it's a decentralized network, not controlled by a single entity. And I mean, this has some drawbacks and benefits, of course. The thing is, what solution you want it for. If I lose my private keys, I cannot call my bank, you know? So this is the first thing, decentralization. The second thing is security. I mean, the blockchain is very secure, like Bitcoin is secure. It's the most secure network in history because it's decentralized and it's according to consensus mechanism. But the way you integrate the blockchain, it's up to you. Where do you store your private keys? How do you store your keys? Do you store them in a hot wallet or a cold wallet? Those are the considerations you need to make. Something else, volatility. I mean, yeah, you can get rich quick. I hoped, but it didn't work out for me. I think one of the key aspects, yeah, is volatility. You need to be aware that if you invest in something that's very volatile, you might be able to lose everything as well. So make sure you're educated about the volatility and zoom out, that you have like a cycle view. Like, you know, we're in a capitulation market, everything is low, and you can say Bitcoin doesn't perform well, but if you zoom out and you see the chart from 2017 up till now, you see we're doing great. Fourth, diversification. I think as every investment manager or a good house father will tell you, don't put all your eggs in one basket. So diversify between blockchains, like different use cases, like media, gaming, store of value, payments, but also in other assets, maybe real estate or, I don't know, gold. I'm not an investment expert, I'm a blockchain passionate. Fifth, regulation. I think it's really important to know the regulation per country where you're involving with the blockchain. I mean, some countries you can tax out, you can cash out without a tax, some you can't, sometimes this is a taxable event, some exchanges don't have a license in some countries, and I think it has huge implications on your experience and, yeah, let's say outcome of your blockchain endeavor. So those would be my 5 key aspects. First one, cryptocurrency. I mean, don't talk about cryptocurrency, talk about the token, you know. It's the technology. I mean, okay, you can do payments with it, but it's about the technology, a decentralized ledger that enables this. This is a huge misconception. It's not about just finance securities. You can use it for every vertical. A second one, it's yeah, get rich mentality, as I told you. I mean, yeah, you can get rich quickly. Some of them I couldn't, so don't think this is for granted. Thirdly, Bitcoin. Okay, it consumes a lot of energy, and that's true. But the thing is, it uses energy in order to securitize the network. The thing is, transactions got verified. Either you have a central authority, central bank, processing your transactions, or commercial bank, and you have trust in the bank, right? Also, it comes with a cost because all the middlemen need an incentive. In the blockchain, at least Bitcoin, it's fully decentralized. It means that you do transactions on the network with other people, but there need some people who validate it. And people who validate it, they need to make a cost. It's called mining. They buy electricity in order to validate a transaction. And just because they buy the cost in order to validate a transaction, they have good behavior. So it's an incentive for good behavior. So Bitcoin, yes, it uses a lot of energy. Secondly, just because it uses a lot of energy, there's a physical asset attached to it and it has some underlying value. I can talk for hours, but I will skip about this. And yeah, my last misconception, I mean, it's against my ideology, but it's true. Blockchain won't solve everything. I mean, you can put a blockchain on a lot of things, but it wants to be more efficient or have a better outcome than a traditional database. So I think it's important to not only understand technology, but also understand the implications of blockchain strategy. What is decentralization? What is the consensus mechanism? What are the outcomes of it?